This is BB Venture Art. I'm here to train you on how to mold your full art. You need your crown. This is what we call crown. It's like head. You need your brim to mold the heart. You need cream to rub the nylon. You see that I tie nylon on the mold. You need nylon to cover it, and the reason why I tie the mold with nylon is because so that when I'm going to remove the paper mat, it will not stiff on it. It will be very easy for us to remove because we are going to use chemical. After that, you need your hammer for the pin. If at times the mold used to be hard, I'm going to use this to cover my paper mat. Thumbtack pin that you are going to use to tack it down. And firstly, I'm going to mold the crown. This is the crown. I'm going to mold. To mold art, you need a yard of, if you are using paper mat, you need a yard. If you are using cinnamon, you need a yard to mold the brim and the crown. Then after that, you need half yard to design your work. Then when we add these two together, that means if you want to mold your full art, you are going to buy 1.5 yard of paper mat or cinnamon. I'm going to use paper mat with my lining, or paper mat or cinnamon or whatsoever you want to use into two, because you cannot mold with a single paper mat. You have to double it before you can mold single paper mat. And the reason why I'm going to use single paper mat is that I'm going to be using this to cover it, to make the second part. What I will do is this: take my crown. To mold, let me show you. If you are using this lining and paper mat together, we have two face. We have the shining face and we have ordinary paper mat. What you will do is that if you want this shining face to be outside, you do it like this. Turn it upside down. Your mold. This is the head. This is down. Place your mold upside down. See it. Then you turn the other side. Put your pin. You can use your hammer. Then after that, you now mold round. Make sure you make it to be smooth. Then you pin it. You can see, then turn the other side. Mold adjacently. Don't forget, not that you just be molding round. No, you mold it. You draw it to yourself. Make sure you draw it, because some paper mats are very strong and must be smooth. Then you pin. pin it. Then the third side. This is the last side I'm molding. Then you pin it. You can see it, I've molded. Yeah, now we are going to mold the brim. This is the brim. Take your paper mat. The way you turn your paper mat and the lining upside down, the way you did it for the crown, then place your brim upside down. First one, look at it. Next side. And you mold round. After you have pinned the 4 edges, then you mold. The last part of it, draw it to yourself. The reason why we are drawing is to make it firm. Pin it round. This is it. This is the brim. See, I've molded it round. Then this is the crown. Please like, share, and subscribe.